Our district chairman is truly multi-talented. It's not.
I know, Shama, that term is used very freely these days, but in this case, it is used very meaningfully to describe Kamala Selvam.
Really, she can sing, she tops any academic course she does, and so many other things. I'm wondering what I might know that she doesn't.
I know what, you teach her Gujarati.
Good idea. And you teach her bridge.
Done. Then she can tick 2 more boxes.
Let's hear what she brings to us today.
A flower blooming in the desert proves to the world that adversity, no matter how great, can be overcome. If you look the right way, you can see that the whole world is a garden. Respectable Association President Saroj Katiyarji, Association Vice President Surjit Kaur, Immediate Past Association President Vasudha Chandrachud, Honorary Association Secretary Anuradha Chandak, National Editor Veena Swami, Event Convener Past International Innerview President Kamala Ramakrishnan, Event Co-Convener Past International Innerview Treasurer Arun Mandamle, District Chairman of District 298, 316, 318, 319, 320, 321, Dashaini Paneer Selvam, Jyoti Lakshman, Pushpa Gururaj, Veena Dharanjan, Alamelu Sivaramakrishnan and Sindha Jodi, District Executive Committee members, past District Chairman and members of the participating districts. A very good morning to all of you. In my flowers, I see beauty, hope, friendship, service, harmony and love. And in this garden, one beautiful flower, Malligay, has bloomed into confetti, the South Zone meet, which we are all witnessing and enjoying today. It was way back in the beginning of the year 2020, before COVID made its appearance, or we even imagined that a pandemic of this magnitude would shake up the entire world, that I had got the confirmation from our association president Saroj ji that District 323 will be hosting the South Zone meet. From the beginning, I wanted our district to host one of the association related events, as I know I have the backing and support of several stalwarts in my district who leave no stone unturned in weaving together wonderful events in the most meticulously planned and classy manner. I thank Association President Saroj for giving us this wonderful opportunity, which we at District 323 will cherish forever. What unfolded in the past 1.5 years is well known to everyone. Confusions, uncertainties, date changes, dealing with a pandemic, and living with the hope that things will settle down and we will be able to take things forward has culminated into this beautiful confetti event that we are witnessing today. The first person I need to be ever grateful to is the God Almighty for allowing our dreams to come true. A dream and now a reality which I pinch myself to ensure that it is happening. Our association president is a woman of grit and determination, brimming with positivity. From day one, she was very sure that things will go right, and she gave us the full confidence to go ahead with all the planning and arrangements. It always helps to have a leader who is constantly encouraging and supporting us to give our best without being pushy or I'm delighted and happy to be a shining star in your constellation of beautiful stars, Saroji. Your never say die attitude has motivated us, District Chairman, to constantly rise above the ordinary and shine bright in the sky. To me, past International Innerview President and the convener of Confetti South Zone Meet is a leader I always look up to. She's right up there, making us at District 323 always proud of her achievements, being one of the most sought after leaders who provides advice in the most sensible and balanced manner. Kamalaji is answering phone calls almost every day from the international, national, district and club levels. I have always admired her diplomacy, the way she gives simple solutions for complicated problems, and her humility and approachable nature. Planning for the South Zone meet has given me the luxury of talking to her on a daily basis, and every day has been a great learning experience. It has been a complete pleasure working with you, Kamalaji. Thank you for leading from the front and being the biggest pillar of support for all of us at Innerview District 323. co-convener, past international leveling treasurer Arago Annamale, I know is always there for me when I require help. She is busy with her son's wedding but never fails to inquire if everything is going fine, and she's just a phone call away always. All the past district chairmen who are part of the committee have put in their heart and soul into coordination of this event. PDC Swarna and PDC Bamani, both hardworking and dedicated past district chairmen, who oversee registrations and accounting, work day and night for the past 3 months, ensuring that the registration process went on smoothly. Kit packing and distribution, tag segregation and allocation have been done meticulously by the registration committee. PDC Nallamai Ramanathan is a whiz at whatever she does, and what less can we expect from her than gold, silver and diamonds as the gifts for the lucky draw. She's a lady with a Midas touch. PDC Sushi and Shama, who oversaw District 323's entertainment program. We know how beautiful the entertainment program was. Kudos to PDC Sushi and Shama. And who are the MCs for today's event, are big assets to Innerville District 323 and are meticulous in executing whatever is entrusted to them. PDCs Kala Ravichandran, Radha Ranganathan and Mallika Venkatramani took care of the entertainment from other districts and made sure that all audiovisual files reached us on time. The Venue Amenities Committee, headed by PDCs Radha and Preeta, with their meticulous planning, have ensured that everything in place was in its place as required. Right to the smallest requirement of a hairpin to wear a Malige flowers today. The seamless flow of events can be attributed to both of them. PDC Lata has seen several files, including gift wrapping, handling of mementos and transport arrangements for dignitaries, and she has carried out all the roles in the most exemplary fashion, adding her own personal touch to every department. PDC Seema, heading the food committee, is the reason we are experiencing a gastronomic feast at every meal, and the menu has been specially customized with exotic varieties of cuisines to appeal to the taste buds of our Innerville members. PDCs Nalini and Seema took us through a delightful evening with their neat compuring yesterday, and today we will see Nalini's PDC Dr. Shashi was very strict about everyone following the safety norms and is going that extra mile to make sure that we all reach back home safely after this event. And has graciously hosted the association EC meeting in her house. Thank you very much for that, Usha. District Vice Chairman RSC has helped in the Transport Committee. District ESO RT has coordinated the stupendous dance performance by members. It's a feast to the eyes and I request none of you to miss it. District Secretary Nazira in the Food Committee, District Treasurer Devi in the Registration Committee, District ISO Raki, who has coordinated the stalls, helped in handling the mementos and has been of great help in several departments, and District Editor Supriya in the Photography Committee add to the smooth functioning of this event. District Special Projects Coordinator Uma Keshav is responsible for the very vibrant introductory and project video of District 323 and has been of great moral support to me. Given to them and lending a hand in whatever way they can. Even in a family wedding, you will have only 4 or 5 people working, but in an event by District 323, the entire ensures that everyone goes home satisfied. That is the spirit of teamwork and magic of District 323. My co-chairmen from other districts, Dakshayani, Jyoti, Pushpa, Veena, Alamelu and Sindha have been very cooperative and sweet. They have sent all the required audio visuals on time and have taken great efforts in coordinating with their district members programs despite having several constraints about geographical smooth flow of events with your prompt responses and timely replies. The prime mover and shaker of today's event is our main sponsor, Maganlal Mehta and Company, Diamond and Gold Jewelry Private Limited, without whose sponsorship we would not have been able to put up such a grand show today. I thank Nitul and Sneha for reposing confidence in me and taking their first baby steps of marketing in Chennai through an event conducted by Innerville District 323. I'm sure this event will help you in taking forward your products to the elite members of our district who will patronize your brand. There are several other brands who have added immense value to our program like Nestle, HealthSure, Raw Earth Secrets, and others. I thank all my friends who selflessly came forward with their support. The hotel staff, starting with Kevin, Shine, and other support staff, audiovisual team headed by Jiva, decorations by the Wishing Well team, and photography by Ashok, have provided their services diligently, and some of these people have been with us for several years, silently backing Innerville events in every venture that we take up. This speech might sound like a vote of thanks, but my day will not be complete without me mentioning the number of people who stood by me even when we had to face stormy waters at times. Being simple people who are committed to our work, we at District 323 wish for nothing but to see happy smiles and satisfied faces when we wind up what we set out to accomplish. The fond memories tucked away in the cozy comfort of our thoughts will always be cherished when we look back at them. May the fragrance of this Mallige waft through the air and linger in our memories forever. Thank you.